What if I told you that some of the most powerful AI tools available today are being used by students to ace exams, creators to produce content in minutes, and entrepreneurs to build businesses all without paying hundreds of dollars every month? Most people only know ChatGPT. Some know Gemini, are AI tools that can turn textbooks into podcasts, build websites from a single sentence, create entire presentations in seconds, and automate hours of work while you sleep. So I spent days exploring the AI landscape to find tools that are actually useful, not just hyped. Some of them completely changed how I work. And one of them honestly felt like something from the future. Let's open the vault. Welcome to my channel, where we explore technology, learning, facts, and tools that can help you work smarter. The AI revolution is moving faster than ever. Every week, new tools appear, claiming to save time, boost productivity, or replace entire workflows. But most of them aren't worth your attention. Today, I'm showing you 7 AI tools that genuinely stand out because they solve real problems. Whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or simply curious about the future, you'll probably find at least one tool that you'll start using immediately. Let's begin. The presentation killer. Let's start with something most people hate. Traditionally, creating a good presentation means researching information, designing slides, finding images, arranging layouts, and spending hours making everything look professional. Canva AI changes that completely. All you have to do is describe what you want. For example, create a presentation explaining black holes to high school students. So to do that, click the link in the description or go to your browser and type Canva and go to the first link. Look for the option called Canva AI in the sidebar, and clicking it leads to a chat where you will enter your request. Just type what you want and click enter and wait until it prepares everything. And then you'll see an option called Generate. So click that and wait. Boom. The presentation is ready, where you can edit it inside the Canva and do whatever you want inside it. After completing your presentation, just go to the File option above and click Download to export your presentation. Make sure you export in the file type of PPTX in the File Type option, and finally export your work for completely free. This is the presentation made by Canva AI in just minutes. Isn't that amazing? Students can use it for projects, teachers can use it for lessons, creators can use it for educational content, and the results are surprisingly good. But if Canva AI saves hours creating presentations, the next tool can save hours reading information. The study superpower. Imagine taking a 200-page textbook and turning it into a podcast. That sounds impossible, right? But NotebookLM does exactly that. Let me show you what makes NotebookLM so special. Imagine you're a student preparing for an exam. You have a large PDF based on photosynthesis, and honestly, reading every page again sounds exhausting. So here's what I did. I uploaded that PDF into NotebookLM and asked, "Explained photosynthesis in simple terms." Within seconds, NotebookLM gave me a clear explanation based entirely on my uploaded textbook. But that's not the impressive part. I then clicked one button and asked it to create a study guide. It automatically generated key concepts, important definitions, and practice questions. And then came the feature that completely surprised me. I clicked Generate Audio Overview. A few moments later, NotebookLM created a podcast-style conversation discussing the contents of my textbook, as if two people were teaching the topic together. Instead of staring at pages for hours, I could simply listen and learn. For students, researchers, and even content creators, this can transform the way you consume information.
When you walk outside today and, just look at a tree, you are actually looking at the one color of light that the tree absolutely hates.
Right, which is wild to think about.
It really is. I mean, it's the backdrop of our lives.
Right.
Like that ubiquitous green blur.
You can also build quizzes and access all these things for free, and also can download them locally too. For students, this is a game changer. Instead of reading everything repeatedly, you can learn while walking, exercising, or traveling. So if you are also interested in that experience, click the link below and visit Notebook. But learning information is one thing, finding reliable information is another. Most search engines give you links. Perplexity gives you answers. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you're a student working on an assignment about climate change. Normally, you'd search Google, open multiple websites, compare information, and spend valuable time trying to find reliable sources. But watch what happens when I ask Perplexity, explain the causes of climate change, and provide trustworthy sources. To do that, click the link given below in the description, or go to your browser and search Perplexity. Sign in and type what you want to research in the chat box, as I am doing it. Within seconds, Perplexity researches the topic, summarizes the key points, and shows exactly where the information came from. Not only an answer, but you also get the sources attached, so you can verify everything yourself. This makes it incredibly useful for students, researchers, creators, and anyone who wants reliable information quickly. Instead of spending 20 minutes collecting information from different websites, Perplexity can often give you a strong starting point in less than a minute. It's like having a research assistant working beside you. While ChatGPT is great for creating and brainstorming, Perplexity shines when it comes to researching information and showing sources. Finding information is useful, but what if AI could build something for you? This next tool feels almost unbelievable. Lovable allows you to describe a website in plain English. Watch what it gave when I asked, I need a personalized study planner app to help me prepare for my IGCSE, EDEXL O-level exams. The AI then generated an entire working website. No coding, no design skills, no technical knowledge. What once required a team can now be done by a single person with an idea. If you want to take a look at the website it made, check in description. But websites aren't the only things AI can create. Google Flow is one of the most exciting AI video tools available today. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on cameras, actors, and locations, you simply describe a scene under seconds. Check this example I did. First, select Image option and use Nano Banana Engine and see what comes for typing. A futuristic city at sunset. See what it created? Not bad, right? You could try it with videos too. For creators, this unlocks entirely new possibilities. Although it is not completely free, it has free tier, which means 50 credits, resetting daily. And speaking of saving time, the next tool can automate entire workflows. Next is N8N, and this tool is completely different from everything we've covered so far. While most AI tools help you do tasks faster, N8N can automate entire workflows for you. Think of it as creating your own digital employee that can connect apps, process information, and perform repetitive tasks automatically. The possibilities are almost endless, which is why it's difficult to fully cover in just a few minutes. If you'd like a dedicated video showing exactly how N8N works and how beginners can start using it, let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious right now, there are already some excellent tutorials on YouTube that can help you get started immediately. Most AI assistants can answer questions. Claude goes much further. It's exceptionally good at understanding large documents, writing detailed content, explaining difficult topics, and helping users think through complex problems. Many creators use it to write scripts. Students use it to understand difficult subjects. Professionals use it to organize ideas and projects. For example, I gave Claude a long document and asked it to explain the main ideas in simple language. Within seconds, it broke everything down into clear and understandable points. Its ability to reason through information often feels less like a chatbot and more like a collaborative thinking partner. So there you have it. 7 AI tools that are changing the way people learn, create, research, automate, and build. Some of them save time, some of them save money, and some genuinely make things possible that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy technology, tutorials, AI, and learning something new every week, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If I missed any amazing AI tool, let me know in the comments. The future won't belong to the people with the most tools. It will belong to the people who know how to use them. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep thinking bigger. I'll see you in the next video. And if you want separate videos for each, let me know in the comments and tell whether shall I upload next video on the topic of how students are using AI to study smarter or in any other topics related to facts, tech, and more.